Hello everyone, this is Kishore from Digital Monk. Welcome to this course on SEO. Now you may be thinking, what exactly is SEO? Now in simple words, guys, SEO is all about making a website rank on search engines like Google. Say for example, let me search for buy furniture online. You do search, right? Did you know a fact, guys? Every single day, more than 5.5 to 6 billion searches happen only on Google alone. Now, how to rank your website on free results, which is these results on Google, which means you don't have to pay a single penny to Google, whereas these results you have to pay, which comes under SEM, which is called a search engine marketing. But our course is only focused only on SEO, how to rank on these results for completely for free. Now, ever wondered when you search for something, how is Google deciding which website should come in which position? Did you know a fact, guys? Google considers more than 200 plus ranking factors before deciding which website should come in which position. Now, you don't have to know all those 200 plus ranking factors. There are three core factors in SEO. When we talk about SEO, there are three core factors. If you focus on these three, your 90% of SEO is done. The first thing is content. Now, if you see here, if I open this website, I did search for buy furniture online. And if I open this website, I go to this website, what do you find information about? You find information about furniture. Of course, you see about sofas and or chairs and everything. It can be in terms of images. It can be in terms of text. It can be in terms of videos. The first thing that you see is content. So second thing is something called as technical SEO. Technical SEO. Now, what exactly is this technical SEO? One of the best example I want to give is loading time. Now, I click on this website again, guys. It is loading. How much time is this website taking to load? Now, did you know it's around 4-5 seconds, around less than that only? Did you know, in fact, guys, Amazon loses $1.8 billion on sales annually for just 1 second increase in loading time. And Google openly told if a website is not fast, you won't rank. So example of a technical SEO is loading time. If this same website, if a person is coming from a mobile device, how it is loading? Is it responsive? Responsive web design is an example of technical SEO. Okay, all those stuff comes under technical SEO. And the third one is something called as backlinks. 70% of your SEO is backlink. A backlink is a link from other website to your website. Now let's take an example. Now, since I was talking about Pepperfry, let's see if I can find a simple link. Okay. Pepperfry Wikipedia. Let's take an example here, guys. Now I'm in which website I'm in right now? I'm in a website called Wikipedia. And if you see here, there is a link, it says official website. Of course, there is something called as follow, no follow links, and we can have a long debate on that stuff. Just to give a point here, there's a link here. Now, if I click on this link, which website did I go to? Pepperfry. Previously, I was in Wikipedia. Now, what is happening? Wikipedia is giving a backlink to Pepperfry. Now, this you consider this as Wikipedia. There is a link in Wikipedia. If you click, it comes to Pepperfry. The more quality links that you build for your website, the higher you rank on Google result page. Okay, so these are the three core factors of SEO: content. And again, guys, there are so many aspects in content also in terms of keyword proximity, keyword density, keyword prominence, using keywords in the title, URL, description, heading tags, alt text, word count. So many things coming to picture, but as fundamentally, it's content. Second one is technical SEO, how well the website is optimized in terms of loading time, speed, code, etc. Sitemaps, robots, schema markups, AMPs, etc. And the last one is the core aspect of SEO, which is nothing but backlinks. Now the question comes, what and all is covered in the course? Coming to the course, guys, you'll be learning, okay, this course is majorly built for, as I said, is built for business owners and freelancers, digital marketers who wants to do SEO for their business or for their client's business. So coming to what you'll be learning, first thing you're going to be learning is how search engines work. I think I have some schematic diagrams. You'll be learning how search engines work fundamentally. You'll talk about Google updates, Google penalty updates, what are all things to avoid while doing SEO, you'll be learning. And when coming to steps to do SEO, guys, the first step you're going to be learning is you're going to be learning how to do keyword research. You'll be learning step by step. I'll be teaching you how to do keyword research. And of course, you'll be doing competitive analysis for those keywords. That's the first step you're going to be learning, how to choose a keyword. Okay, that is the most important aspect. The core aspect of SEO is how to pick a keyword for your business. Second thing is, once you have the keyword list ready for your business, you'll be doing something called as on page. In on page, we have broken down into two aspects, which is which is, if I scroll down, which is content SEO and technical SEO. In content SEO, we'll be talking about optimizing the rank math plugin for WordPress. We recommend to use WordPress sites because it's secure, fast, better SEO performance. Okay, we'll talk about how to optimize your page titles, URLs, descriptions, heading tags, all text. All these things come under content SEO only, guys, keyword proximity and everything. And from here we talk about technical SEO, which is like making your website load faster, how to add sitemaps to your website, how to set up robots.txt, how to set up AMPs, how to add Google rich snippets. You know what is rich snippet? The star ratings that and all you see on Google. So let's example like this. This is my review. Can you see how to get all these reviews for your business? You'll be learning in this type of in Google rich snippets, etc. Now, coming to the third one, we talk about the third step of SEO, which is off-page SEO, okay, which is nothing but link building, which is nothing but backlinks. We'll talk about all the best strategies that is there implemented, which we use it on our websites, our clients' websites, and we'll be teaching you here. We'll be teaching about how to do guest blogging, how to do scholarship link building, how to do skyscraper technique, okay, how to do competitive link analysis technique. Pretty interesting, pretty thorough. Everything is up to date and very thorough and updated, guys. So, and apart from that, you'll also be learning about different types of SEO like white hat, gray hat, black hat SEO. We'll talk about one of the best black hat SEO techniques, which is private blog network. We'll talk about website audits, how to do website audits for your web business or for your client's business. You'll be learning that. We'll talk about how to optimize your Google, how to analyze data from your Google Search Console. Okay. So we'll be talking about Panda Penguin recovery if you're hit by any of the penalty, how to rank on local SEO. If you search for your services, how to rank on Google local results, like this type of results you'll be covering in that. And in international SEO and top websites to follow for latest updates in terms of digital marketing or SEO mainly. We'll be covering everything extensively, guys. So in this course, you'll be getting access to more than 45 plus videos. And actually I have the LMS. I'm recording this video. Once I recorded the videos, as you can see, every single video is covered here and every single video is covered it very extensively, guys. Okay. So comments will appear here. Sorry, the videos are here. Every single video is covered extensively. Okay, so this is what it is. Give it a try, take it a spin. If you don't like it, and it's more than 11 plus hours, if you don't like it, we always have a 7-day no questions refund policy. See, if you don't see any value in the course, we do not want to keep your money. Okay, so see you on the other side. Thank you. Have a nice day.